A starting chain is a critical step in order to make something like a blanket or a scarf. So first, you're going to start by making a slip knot. You're going to take the yarn, you're going to fold it over into a loop like this, and then you're going to grab the loop and you're going to fold it over again. And now you're going to see that yarn in the center of that loop. You're going to hold on to it, and with your other hand, grab the yarn tail and pull on the yarn tail until you have a large loop. Now this loop right here is a bit too large to work with, so to get it to the right size, you're going to take your hook and you're going to put it into this large loop, and you're going to grab the end of the yarn that connects into your yarn ball or skein and knot the yarn tail, and then you're going to pull on it. Now the loop is the right size for your hook. Now we're going to get ready to make the first chain. I like to hold the yarn like this for tension, but everyone has their own method. So first you're going to yarn over, and that's a term for grabbing the yarn with your hook. I'm going to do it twice so you can see. I'm doing it again. Now I'm going to take this yarn, I'm going to pull it through the loop that's on my hook. Now you've made one chain. We're going to repeat this 7 more times for practice. I recommend at the end of the video that you pause it to make sure that you can count 8 chain stitches.